Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Corolla's engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving both time and money. A clean air filter is crucial for optimal engine performance, ensuring your car breathes properly and maintains good fuel economy. You'll be surprised how quickly you can complete this essential upkeep, typically in under 15 minutes, with minimal or no tools required. First, always make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. Next, open your Corolla's hood and secure it firmly using the prop rod for safety. Now, locate the engine air filter box. It's typically a large, black plastic rectangular housing found in the engine bay, usually connected to a wide intake tube, often on the driver's side or near the front of the engine compartment. With the air filter box located, you'll need to release the fasteners holding the cover in place. These are usually 2 to 4 metal clips that you simply unlatch, or sometimes a few Phillips head screws. Once released, gently lift the top cover of the air box. You don't usually need to fully remove it. Now, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take note of its exact position and the direction of any arrows, as the new one will go in the same way. Before installing the new filter, you might want to quickly wipe out any debris from the bottom of the air box. Now, take your new, clean air filter and carefully slide it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and correctly oriented, just like the old one. Once the new filter is in place, lower the air box cover, ensuring it aligns properly with the bottom half. Finally, re-engage all the clips or tighten the screws to secure the cover firmly. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.